Who are you? Are you baby Ella? Are you baby Ella? Goodness, you have a milk mouth. Who is this, Emma? Who is this? Is it Cora's baby? Are you gonna be Cora's baby? Is that your baby, Cora? Is that your baby, Cora? No, that's not your baby. Emma, leave her alone. Let her eat. Look at your little milk mouth. Are those pieces too hard for you? Do you need more milk? Ooh, your belly's nice and fat. Her belly's fat, Cora. Is that your play buddy? Nuh-uh, Cora. Leave it. That's Tinkerbell's food. Tinkerbell, is your belly fat? Get down, Tinkerbell. Get down. Down. Get down. What you got, Cora? Is Ella eating? Get down, Tinkerbell. You don't get on the table. Oh, don't tip your foot over. Tinkerbell, get down. That food hard for you to eat? You don't have many teeth. Did you want more milk, Ella? Are you stuck on the towel? Hold on, hold on. Your little nails are sharp. What is that, Cora? What's she doing? Is she eating? Is this your new baby? Are you going to be a mommy to her? No, Cora. Disaster waiting to happen. Emma, get downstairs! Are you done, Cora?